Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial guys, I will teach you on how to write and run a PHP program using online tools from the internet. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. You may click also the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video. So let's begin. PHP is one of the most popular web scripting language around the world. It is used by many websites based on PHP like WordPress, Joomla, Drupal, among others that are very popular content management system. In schools, particularly here in the Philippines, PHP is always being taught as the language of choice in creating web applications and also mobile applications. So PHP is based on C language. It was created by Rasmus Lerdof way back in 1991 to monitor his resume online. Actually guys, I was able to meet him once here in the Philippines. So the internet, with the advancement of internet technology, it allows us to write code on several programming language and run it online. So one of the things that I have discovered online is onecompiler.com, which supports so many programming language here. As we can see, we have Haskell, TLC, Lua, Ada, Perl, CoffeeScript, okay, including PHP. Okay, it also support web languages, okay, and database languages. So here in this tutorial, I will teach you how to write and run a PHP program. Okay, so let us start with the classic hello world. Now we have here starting tag less than question mark PHP echo hello world in PHP semicolon. Without a closing tag, it is a valid. When I click the run button here on the right side, it will display hello world in PHP. Okay, so let us erase. We will put a closing tag here, question mark greater than. Let's say for example, we will create a simple multiplication program. $A, let's say 5, $B, let's say 2, semicolon, multiply assignment statement equals $A asterisk $B. Okay, so that is our equation. So print the product of $A and $B is $multiply period semicolon. Now here, take a closer look. Let us make it much bigger now. $A, we have the initial value of 5. $B, we have value of 2. Multiply, it will act as assignment statement. Equals $A multiply by $B. So this is the values, this is the process, and we have here the output. The product of $A and $B is multiply. Okay, when I click the run button here, we have the output. The product of $B and the product of 5 and 2 is 10. Sorry for that, no? Okay, so we can also create a looping statement here. Let's say for example, for $A, comma, $A less than or equal to 10, for example, we increment, $A plus plus. We have here begin. Let's say echo. We have here BR, new line here. And then we have here $A, semicolon. So when we run undefined, we have an error, huh? Undefined variable. Okay, I forgot. Okay, sorry, I forgot put it equals 1, no? When I run, no point of that. Okay, let us do some correction. Okay, we have here the output, no? So 1 2 3 4 5. So for a $a equals 1, initial value $a less than or equal to 5, increment, and then we have here the output, now a new line $a. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write and run a PHP program using online tools in the internet. I hope that I was able to impart knowledge or share my knowledge to you guys that using online tools we can create programs and compile it. It makes our life much easier actually. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.